Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be creating this beautiful purple halo eye look. It's very simple. You just need a few tools and I'm going to show you how to do it. Let's get started. Before getting into eyeshadow, let's do our brows. I'm using the Brow Pop pencil by Kosas in the shade black. Defining the eyebrows can really change the way your face looks. And using the spoolie, let's blend it out. Going in with any brow gel, let's apply that on the brow hair. And now with the NARS Soft Matte Concealer, let's prime the eyelids. You can use any brush for this. For today's look, I'm using the Rose Quartz palette by Huda Beauty. With the Morphe A29 brush, it's a flat brush, so let's apply the shadow on the eyes. This is the shade Precious. Now for a halo eye, let's apply some on the inner corner as well. Make sure you're blending that out and adding more pigment as you go. Now with the Colourpop E9 brush, we're going to go in with the shade Serenity and we're going to blend all that out. This is a cool tone pink color, so it will sort of match your skin tone a bit more. This is how your eye should look. Now with the Colourpop E28 brush, which is a dome shape brush, we're going to go in with the shade Mantra and we're going to apply that on the outer corner. Less is more at this step. Do the same thing on the inner corner as well. Now with the Morphe Ariel A29 brush, let's blend that out. We do not want any harsh lines at all. Blend that on the inner corner as well. Back in with the shade Mantra and the same dome shape brush, let's apply some more color. You can see we are building up the intensity slowly. And back in with a flat brush, let's blend that out. You want to go from dark to light. Now with the Colourpop E9 brush and back in with the shade Serenity, let's blend that out. Be as precise as you can now. Do that on the inner corner too. For the halo eye, let's go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Eye Primer and use a flat brush for this step, and let's carve a semicircle. Fill that semicircle with the eye primer. To blend the edges, use your fingers. This is the easiest and quickest way. Be careful at the inner corner because this can be a bit tricky, but I'm sure you can do it. This is how your eye should look. And now for shimmer, let's go in with the shade Moon Magic and apply that with the finger. The shade Precious and with a Colourpop E28 brush, which is a beautiful dome shaped brush, we're going to brush it off onto the halo. Now to give the eyes a bit of definition using Mantra, let's create a bit of smokiness on the upper lash line. This is how your eye should look. Let's go in with the shade Precious again and apply that on the lower lash line. To curl our lashes, we're going to use the Lily Lashes Lash Curler to lengthen our lashes. Going in with the Fenty Beauty Hella Thick Mascara, let's apply that on the upper lash line and on the lower lash line too. You can build it up as much as you want. And here is the beautiful purple halo eye look. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like it, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you again in the next video. Have a good one, guys. Bye.